Unlock the power of annotating. Writing in the margins for effective reading comprehension. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deeper into active reading strategies, particularly focusing on annotating the text. Within this realm, we're going to hone in on a specific technique that can be incredibly beneficial for your reading comprehension: writing in the margins. So grab your pens and notebooks, and let's get into it. When we talk about writing in the margins, we're discussing the practice of jotting down notes, comments, questions, or symbols in the empty spaces around the text you're reading. These could be the sides, the top, or the bottom of the page. It's a form of active engagement with the text that allows you to think critically while reading. Why is it important? Boosts comprehension. By forcing you to formulate your thoughts into words, it helps solidify the material in your mind. Review aid. When you revisit the text, your annotations serve as a quick summary of the text's important points. Interactive. Makes the reading process interactive and engaging, keeping your focus sharp. Annotating can be as individual as you are, but here are some general guidelines. Steps to follow. 1. Read once without annotating. Get a general feel for the text first. 2. Identify key points. On your second read-through, start marking key sentences or phrases that stand out. 3. Ask questions. Write questions that come to mind in the margins. This could be clarifications you need or connections you are making. 4. Summarize. After a paragraph or section, take a moment to jot down a brief summary in the margin. 5. Symbols and abbreviations. Use symbols like stars, exclamation points, or even create your own shorthand to mark the text. Tools you'll need. A good pen or pencil. A text with wide margins for ample space. Optionally, colored pens or highlighters for organization. Let's put this into action with a simple example. Text: the Earth orbits around the Sun. Annotation: in the margin, you might write, central idea, Earth's orbit. Or you could jot down a question: how long does one orbit take? In this example, you've summarized the main point and also raised a question for further exploration. It's simple, but it's effective. Be brief. Margins aren't spacious. Be concise. Be legible. Write clearly enough so you can read it later. Review. Go back and read your annotations. Don't over-annotate. You don't have to write something for every line. Get lost in details. Focus on the big picture while annotating. Forget context. Your annotations should relate back to the overall theme or main idea. That wraps up our tutorial on writing in the margins as a method for effective annotation. The goal here is to make you an active reader, enhancing both your comprehension and engagement with the text. Remember, this is a skill, and like any skill, it requires practice. So why not grab a text and start annotating? Happy reading, everyone!